Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you if there is a hanging problem on Instagram call, for example. So one of my friend called me like Instagram voice call. See here on the notification bar, it is showing like to disconnect, but it is not getting disconnected either. It is not allowing me to talk. Means even the other person is talking, even I am replying. I didn't hear anything from the other person, and the same time, the other person couldn't be able to hear my voice. Means the Instagram call got stuck here, and even though if I want to disconnect or hang up the call, it is not responding. So in that case, what you can do is you can just press and hold on Instagram and click on this I symbol, info symbol, so that we can go to the option called storage usage and just one clear cache and just remove the recent tabs from your phone. Yeah, once you clear the cache, try to open Instagram and check whether the problem is solved. And now just check once after clearing the cache of the Instagram whether the problem got resolved. If not, just press and hold on your this phone power button and try to restart your mobile. And now I guess this problem of Instagram call getting stuck will be resolved to you. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.